Again, I rejoin. I'm doing great, everyone. Audio, video. Somebody disturbing the session. Shall we remove from the session? Check it who is disturbing the session. We'll remove from the session. Ashok Kumar. Ashok Kumar, complaint on you. List box. Anybody tried this one? Drop down. Is it working? Oh, nice. Everybody, you are working. Nice, nice. Great to listen that one. Perfectly working. Right. Shall we start the list box? Select multiple attributes. Multiple attribute is the Boolean attribute. It specifies that multiple options can be selected once. Syntax, select multiple. So what is the difference between drop down and list box? Yesterday I said drop down and list box. What is the difference? Come on. Yes, drop down means only single option possible. List box means multiple items we can select. You want to convert into list box, what we need to do? Which option we need to change? Select multiple is equal to multiple. Multiple is equal to multiple. So if I'm going to run. So by default, how many items visible? By default, how many items visible? 4 items visible. By default, multiple attributes displayed, 4 items. Then I'm giving examples. First example I'm giving list box. For multiple items. For multiple items. Okay. Yes, somebody disturbing session. I understood. I want to remove from him from the meeting. So by default, 4 items visible. Find out who is he. We'll remove from the meeting. Example 2. Using Akhil. Shall I remove from the meeting? Using size attribute. All your friends are complaining. Using size attribute, we can display more items. So I'm taking to size attribute. Size is equal to 10, I said. Now come here. How many items visible? You can check it. Disable also will remove. How many items visible now? Total 10 items. I want to select. I want to select. I want to select. Can we select more than one? List box. We can select one or more items from that object. From that object. Right? Clear for you? All these are? Leelavati? Yeah, type in time. Whenever I'm typing, little bit voice slow will come. That is a common. Clear? Right. Source code I'm taking. I'm putting in the examples level. Right. Example 3. Okay. Right. Example 3 level. List box understood. Size attribute is clear for you. Just now completed. His size attribute is clear for you. By default, how many items will come? By default, 4 items. If you want to display more than 4, size is equal to your providing number of items. Size is equal to your providing number of items. Okay. Right. After that, we'll move forward. Radio button control. What that one? Radio button control. Somebody again disturbing the session. Who is this one? Rajeshwari, shall we remove? Rajeshwari, why you people are disturbing? Come on, I'll remove from one by one. 2-3 members are there. 2-3 members are there. Right, radio button control. Generally, what is the importance of the radio button? What is the importance of the radio button? Only single selection. Radio button only single selection. More than one item in the radio button? No. Generally, we are selecting only single. Yes, radio buttons are used when out of many options. Best example, online examinations you people are writing, no? Are you writing online examinations? Yes, that time what you are doing? Srivani, Akhil, Rajeshwari, take care. Cameras, already removed 3 members. Right, input type is equal to radio. Now I'm coming. Input type is equal to radio. First, I'm coming here. Form level. For example, I'm giving label. Select valid gender. Observe valid gender. Input type is equal to radio. Name is equal to gender. So I'm giving here, I said male. I said male. I said female. I said others. I'm coming here and you can select. Okay. By default, no one selected. I'm giving, for example, by default, I want to select male. Means checked. Come on. First one selected. At a time, how many selecting? At a time, how many selecting? By default, checked is first one selecting. Is it okay, everyone? By default, checked is nothing but selecting the ring. Radio button. Checkbox control. Check it once. Checkboxes are used when more than one option is required to be selected. Okay, we'll see more than one option. Checkbox level. For example, select your favorite technologies. Technologies, I said. Now I made here checkbox. Checkbox okay, one I said. Now I said, for example, no checked given to, and you need to provide the things also here. What I'm giving checkbox level HTML. CSS I provide. Now I'm giving something like JS. Angular. Like this I provide. Checkbox 3, checkbox 4. First, let me run. Check it you only by default. Which one selected? By default, select your favorite technologies. By default, HTML selected. Can I remove? Yes, I can select. Yes, I can select more than one. How his output is coming? Can we select multiple at a time? Observing slowly every example I am providing. Are you following me? Come on, remaining members. Shall I move forward? Any question? Right. Now I'm giving this example in your notes. Every example I'm providing separately one attachment. Right. The checkbox is clear for you. Right. Next one I'm going to. Okay. First, let me take checkbox, radio button, list box also. Somebody asking me list box. My dear, list box just now completed. List box just now completed. Right. Observe everybody, button controls. So there are various buttons available. Already shown to you 2 buttons. How many buttons already shown to you? 2 buttons already shown to you. Yes, submit, reset, button, image. Submit. This creates a button that automatically submits a form. Submit. This creates a button that automatically submits a form. Reset. This creates a button that automatically resets form controls to their initial values. Button. This creates a button that is used to trigger a client-side script when the user clicks that button. When the user clicks that button. And image. This creates a clickable button, but we can use an image as background of the button. Check it once. How many button controls available? What reset is doing, what button is doing, means what submit is doing. Come on. Right. Reset is going to clean the values whichever existed in the control. Submit is nothing but submitting the form. Excellent. Now remaining 2 controls we can try to observe. Okay. So remaining 2 controls we can try to observe. I'm giving form level action. Action is going to take to another page. Which page I am providing? html5.png. That page it is showing. I'm giving here input type is equal to submit and value is equal to, I said, next page. I said next page. And I'm giving here reset. Value is equal to, I'm giving cancel. I'm giving another one here. Input type is equal to button. Value is equal to click. Okay, what they're giving, we'll try to check the syntax. Input type submit, input type reset. Okay, input type is equal to button level available. So button level, button itself is a class. Button close. On click is equal to, I'm giving alert. Click me. And I'm giving button control. Observe, first button class have I used. Second button class I'm using simply, I'm displaying on img source is equal to, I'm giving here, what is their images? You can also check it according to images we need to provide. What is there? Okay, ensure.gf is there. Okay, and source is equal to, width is equal to 10 pixels enough. Right. So you can observe now controls. You only observe controls. Now I'm giving here break tag also for your better understanding, so that more clearly your understanding. Observing how many controls available. Select HTML, JavaScript, Angular. Click on next page. Going to HTML5. Perfect. Again, click on cancel. Clear. Why this one not clear? First one HTML not clear. I selected, set clear means why these are only clear, why not this one? That is a default. Very good. Now click on button control now. Click on button control. What alert message you are getting? Button control, what alert message is getting? Click me alert message you are getting. Go into next page. Next one, click on unsure. Image available on button. Any button not working, you can tell me. All are working. Important example for button controls. Today examples completely I'm using in the project style. I don't know how many you are practicing daily. JavaScript will show you. JavaScript level alert will show you. Don't worry. Okay. Now no need to ask that one. What is alert? What is on click? JavaScript level we can see. Okay. ID attribute also we can see. Uniqueness purpose we are using ID attribute. Uniqueness purpose we are using ID attribute. Okay. Shall we move forward? Field set, everybody. Field set. Example names means example level. I'm writing very clearly every example. If you see the code also, you can easily understand. What is this one? Button controls. What is this one? Checkbox. Everything I am writing, what you are doing? Tell me, my dears. Radio buttons. What you will do? Very good. Rahul given super dialogue. Just we are watching, sir. Okay. Right. Come on, first field set. Anybody who heard the name field set first of all? It defines a group of form elements as being logically related. It is grouping elements. Logically, all these elements are related to one group. The browser draws the fields to indicate that they are related. It is a paid tag. So field set is a paid tag. Field set open, field set close. Excellent. Field set open, field set close. Come on, everybody. Field set definition is clear. Shall I write one example? Come on, quickly. So far, how many examples means what concepts we did? First one is list box today. List box after. List box only multiple attribute. List box after radio buttons. Radio buttons I shown to you. Single selection. After that one, checkbox. Yeah, multiple selection. Checkbox, multiple selection. After that, we entered into button controls. There are various buttons available. Very good. Now we are entering into field set. Field set means what I said. It is grouping form elements and making a logical relation. It is grouping and making a logical relation. Field set speciality. Okay, right. I'm taking that. First, I'm giving field set. And I'm providing these two doesn't require field set available. Now we'll observe logically coming or not. Observe you only. Field set. Observing. What it is coming? Boundary, box coming. Whenever output is coming, immediately some people are typing, sir, once again, please. What is once again coming? Once again display, I don't know that. Okay. There is a box displayed. Now, once box displayed that, now this is over. For this one, legend is there here. It is used with field set to give a title to each set of fields. Come on carefully, guys. It is used with field set to give a title to each set of fields. It is a paid tag. Okay. Syntax: legend open, legend close. Attributes and parameters: align, right, center, left. Okay, very simple. Right, center, left. Legend I'm taking now. Clear legend first of all. Okay, first field set level example I'll take, because for your understanding purpose. Example 7, field set and legend. So now I'm taking field set inside, legend I'm giving. So legend inside I'm giving, select your favorite technologies. Are you observing, remaining members? Observe legend, everybody. Beautiful. Are you getting legend sweetness? Are you observing, remaining members? Box outline is coming. So that is. So you want to align this one. By default, right side I'm giving. Which side? Right side. Okay, center I'm giving. Okay, center I'm giving. Check it, all these things, everybody. Whenever you are clicking the button, it is going to next page called action. Sonali. In the real-time industry, we are providing server-side programming. I'll show you a little advanced level what is server-side programming. Okay. So this is there here. Clear up to here, everyone? Right. Legend after. What is there? Introduction to HTTP. You heard the name of HTTP, guys? Okay. Do you want to see the code? See the code. Some people are asking me, I want to see the code, sir. See. If you say move forward, I'll move forward. Check the code is clear. Legendary tag 2 times, what happens? Check it practical and tell me. Yes. Shall we move forward? Yes. Somebody is asking me that one slow. Is this slow is enough for you? 2-3 members asking me, go slowly, sir. Some people saying go fast, sir. Some people saying today no class, sir. Come on, emojis. Some people slow, speed, fast, no class. How many number of conditions, my dear? These many constraints means unable to follow, my dear. If, like that continuously, I need to write half dozen ifs. After that, condition will be executed. I'm going on my own flow only, my dear. They're not giving permission. Right. Generally, HTTP means full form everybody knows. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. But what HTTP is doing, how many you know? Okay. What is HTTP? How you come to know that? A common language between client and server. A common language between client and server. What is client? Very good. Where browser existed, that is client. What is server? Server is giving response. Request is giving. Request is giving client. Response is giving server. Okay, taking request and sending response, both are available here. Right. Read now HTTP. Read now HTTP. It is designed to enable communications between clients and servers. HTTP works as a request response protocol between client and server. A web browser may be the client. An application on computer that hosts a website may be to the server. So what is a block diagram of HTTP? First definition, once again, you can read. You read now? We'll see the block diagram. Observe. Observing picture, everybody. Picture is clear. Opening your browser. Once you open the browser, you are entering URL, whatever the URL you want. www. You provided, for example, google.com. So it is going to HTTP protocol, going to server. Server level, it is checking any action required. Then common gateway interface, CJ programming available. CJ we are writing in server side coding. Do you know Apache, Tomcat, Glassfish? Anybody you heard the names? WSGI, Web Server Gateway Interface, Tornado, G Unicorn, IIS, Internet Information Services, as Apache, Tomcat, all these are. Java people, Tomcat is very common one. PHP people, Apache very common one. .NET people, IIS common one. Python people, WSGI, Web Server Gateway Interface common. Node.js people, Apache, Tomcat also common. Common, my dears. Some people saying no means what you are doing in RSIT. Which course you are doing? Serverless course you are doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Somebody disturbing the session. Who is he? What happened to him? Only front end you are doing. Front end you are doing means something you want to know about server side also. Continuously one or two members keep on disturbing only session, my dears. Why that much interested to disturb? They're getting, I think, some happiness. What happiness they're getting? So HTTP is a common language between client and server, which is taking request from client to server, which is bringing response from server to client. Okay. If we write a legend tag 2 times, then the second one is not functioning as a legend tag, but just normal text. Oh, really? You invented today new one, my dear. Till now, I also don't know. Like these doubts I'm not getting, actually. Good, logically. Give him encouragement. Some emojis. Sai Karan. For Sai Karan, some emojis you can give. He invented new thing today. Okay. Right. First, concentrate on the subject, Sai Karan, okay? Your inventation you can do after. I'll appreciate you, okay? But parallel you are doing inventation, only you will become scientist, but without subject. Right, come on. So browser, protocol, server, common gateway interface program, and database. What exactly database is doing here? What exactly database is doing here? You can tell me that? It is going to store the data. So database inside some data stored, my dear. I want to read the data. So you want to read the data, you want to delete the data, you want to write the data. then what kind of language you are using for reading, writing, appending, storing, deleting? You are using HTML. Oh my God, great answer, my dear. Your friend is using HTML. jQuery you are using. Oh my God. Oh my God. PHP you are using. Oh my God, another shocking news. Python you are using. You are not using Raju sir? Anybody, you are not typing my name. Raju sir also can write. My dear, we are using SQL. We are using SQL. Structured query language. In the database, you want to write the data, you want to read the data, you want to append the data, you want to drop the data, you want to do anything. You want to do anything. SQL is mandatory. What is SQL? Is it? Structured query language. Very good. Understood finally what is HTTP architecture? As a user, first you are opening browser, then browser inside you are entering URL. It is taking to HTTP protocol to the web server, Tomcat, Apache, Glassfish. There are many things available. All these servers existed. Okay, right. After that one, we are writing some common gateway interface. Some common gateway interface. What is the CGI? Common gateway interface, which is going to all the resources. After that, we are going to database. Okay. So database level, we are storing huge data. Any RDBMS, you can learn, no problem. Any RDBMS. There's a MySQL, SQLite 3, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, MS SQL, Postgre, MongoDB. There are various things available right now in the market. Okay. So MongoDB also is a NoSQL, not only SQL. Okay. MongoDB also excellent backend mechanism. So this is really great. Which one is the best? All are best. For me, all are best. Which one is the best means right now in the market, MongoDB is there. MongoDB is a little bit more best. Okay. Which one easy to learn? What questions you are getting, my dears? Which one is best? You asked again. Which one is easy? Maybe next you are asking which is the highest package. Huh? Understanding your questions? Which one easy? Which one no coding? Which one highest package? Which one no work in the company? Just sitting with the cross fingers. So different. You are getting good ideas, my dears, without completing course. Huh? Django. Somebody ask me again. One topic to another topic. What is Django? What is Mango? Huh? Django, mango, potato, tomato. What, my dears? All these are right. Django is a web framework from Python. Django is very powerful web framework from Python. Try to learn, my dears, all the things. Yeah, you can try to. Again, you are asking me Flask. Django answered again, what is Flask? Flask is exclusively for coffee and tea. When you are putting something inside, it will be hot another 24 hours. That is called Flask. Some people are giving emojis. Flask is another micro framework from Python. Flask is another micro framework from Python, which is very powerful. Flask after pyramid is there. Pyramid after cherry Python. Cherry Python after up to py. Don't ask me like that, my dears. We'll go to subject first, okay? First, HTTP protocol, clear everybody? Okay, right. Don't ask me everything. If I'll go to inside of the subject, very powerful, okay? Always Python world number one. Right now, Python is the leading. If I say like that, Sar is teaching Python, data science, machine learning, that is the reason people are saying Python. No, not like that. 20 lines Java code, single line in Python. 100 lines Java code, just 4 to 5 lines in Python. What are the HTTP request methods? In our Google Classroom, actually nearly 450 members are there, my dears. What about remaining 100 members? Already they got job, what? Right. HTTP request methods. Two commonly used methods. Okay. Get and post. Action attribute. This attribute is used to specify the URL for the server page to which we want to send our form data. Syntax. Form name is equal to my form. Action is equal to user.aspx. Dinesh is asking me, Java is better, Python is better, please. What should I say? Jaitan is better. Jaitan, Saitan, Iron, Python. Anybody you heard the names? Jaitan what, sir? Saitan what, sir? We are speaking new things in the classroom. Saitan, my dear. Saitan, you don't know? Oh my God. Yeah, Saitan better. See Saitan. Read you only. Saitan. Okay. Saitan better. Come on. Come to our subject. They're checking Raju sir knows how many languages. Huh? Correct or not? Some people. Everything Raju sir is answering like this. How many languages sir will answer? Anything will answer, my dear. No problem. Right. Get post. Action attribute. Action attribute is used to specify the URL of the server. The URL of the server means it is taking to the server side location. Server side means what? To develop server side applications, we are doing some special languages like Java, Python, Node.js. Okay. So like this, some of the things we are using. So that is what exactly here available, action attribute level. Right. Get. In this method, we don't have security for our data. Only limited data can be sent to the server page. This is the default method of the form. It can carry raw data from client to server. Raw data, the data which is understandable to user. Excellent, my dears. Total, how many methods available here? There are many available. but too important, get post important. So get is what? Default. If you are not giving method is equal to anything, by default, which one available? If you are not giving anything, by default, which one available? Get available. Yes. In this method, we don't have security for our data, and only limited data can be sent to the server page. Limited data can be sent to the server page. This is the default method of the form. It can carry raw data from client to server. Raw data means the data which is understandable to user. Excellent. Now, for example, some real-time environment I'll show you. We'll go to, for example, where get available, where post available. We'll try to check it. For example, I'm going to Google. Okay. I'm typing here Google. I said Control U view source code. Then Control U means view source code, no? And I'm giving method is equal to, I said, for example, get. Anywhere highlight is coming or not, you can check it. Method is equal to, yes, somewhere else highlight came. Check it in the Google. What is a method? Get or post? In Google, what is method, my dear? Get or post? Come on, quickly, software engineers, super software engineers. Right. Very good. Get. Right here. When to use get? When to use get? Information sent from a form with the get method is visible to everyone. Get also has limits on the amount of information to send. The limitation is about 2048 characters. However, the variables are displayed in the URL. It is possible to bookmark the page. This can be useful in some cases. Get may be used for sending non-sensitive data. Excellent. Right. So get is to transfer the data from client to server. Okay. Non-technical. It is completely, it is not encrypting, it is not converting. Whatever the data you are giving, same that it is taking from client to server. It's taking more data or less data? Get is taking more data or less data? Less data. How many characters data it is taking? 2048 characters data it is taking. 2048 characters data it is taking. Okay. Very good. This can be useful in some cases. Get may be used for sending non-sensitive data. Excellent. Okay. May be used for sending non-sensitive data. Everybody clear what I'm giving non-sensitive data? My dears, software engineers. What is the meaning of non-sensitive data? First of all, what is sensitive? What is non-sensitive? What is sensitive? What is non-sensitive? The data which you are unable to share to third party people. The data which we are unable to share to third party people is called sensitive data. For example, user ID, they're asking email ID, you are giving. Okay. Your friend asks you, what is password? You are seeing face, top to bottom. Password also you are sharing. This is my email ID, this is my password, enjoy. OTP also you can say. Your favorite friend, no. Come on. So the data which you are unable to share to other members is called right. Very good. I'm observing. Next. I'm going to post, my dear, first. Where we are using post. Post is completely encrypted format. It is converting into machine understandable format. Where post available? Let me move forward to, for example, Yahoo Mail. First, we'll go to Yahoo Mail. Okay, we'll take one login page or one sign up page. Once you are taking login page or sign up page, it is coming. Control U. Again, view source code after Control F. So I said method is equal to what available, get available, Yahoo Mail, post available. Come on, get available, post available. Post is secured or non-secured? Fully secured. That means in the Google security not there? Is there. But what kind of security you are talking? That is very important. So where method is equal to get required, where method is equal to post required, as a programmer, you come to know very clearly that. So that I need to explain to you more practically. But today I provided only the introductory part. The introductory part only provide. I am not showing any information on get and post. But you people need to practice up to action. Up to action I am providing. And these are 10 examples I am giving. Those are 10 examples. Total 20 examples I am providing also. But how many you are practicing correctly, I also don't know. If you are practicing, good. If you are not practicing, very good. No problem. No problem. Nothing. Don't worry. I'm not practicing, sir. Don't be in tension. No worry. Okay. Right. And examples I'm uploading first. Everyday examples you're getting. So HTML forms and HTTP. Right. Thank you. Like you, all of you. Thank you. Like you. Right. Showing maximum. Same time ideas every day. Tomorrow class time. 6 o'clock only 10 minutes before you can come. That's it. No problem. Daily 3-4 hours Patil you can practice. 3-4 hours you can practice Patil. Video links are not in my hand, my dear. Ask administrative manager. 1 hour, 3 hours practice. 1 hour teaching, 3 hours practice. 2 hours teaching, 6 hours practice. No, sir, I'm genius. Okay, thank you. Don't practice. Some people, genius people available, my dear, they never practice. Just they will observe only. In our class also, 90% people are, they are sitting just in front of the mobile. Oh, okay, sir, come on. Next one, what? Okay, okay. Next one, what? Okay. चलो क्लास हो गया ओके बंद करो मोबाइल पॉकेट में रखो चलो we'll play sometimes what happened something completed something what html class something why you are not writing notes that is a free of cost why notes writing all these energy waste time pass just be sad okay right thank you enjoy bye bye enjoy let me complete some more topics then I'll give you exercises for you Mutyal Sai Nikhil. Already posted no examples, not visible to you. I'll take on Saturday your screen, Dinesh. Don't worry.